Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn listening English with a story, Finding True Love. In the heart of a bustling city, amidst the towering skyscrapers and the ceaseless hum of urban life, resided a young woman named Emily. With her gentle hands and a heart full of compassion, Emily had embarked on a journey to become a massage therapist, her passion for healing others driving her every step. Emily's days were filled with the rhythm of her work, her hands gliding across the bodies of her clients, easing their tension and soothing their aches. She found solace in the touch of human connection, the unspoken language of healing that transcended words. Part 1. The Heartbreak of First Love. Emily's heart had known the bittersweet taste of love, the highs and lows of an emotional roller coaster. Her first love, a charming and charismatic young man named Alex, had swept her off her feet with his promises of eternal love and a future filled with laughter and joy. However, their love story was short-lived, their passion fading as quickly as it had ignited. Alex's true colors emerged, revealing a selfish and manipulative individual who only cared about himself. Emily was left heartbroken, her trust shattered, and her faith in love shaken. Part 2. The Pain of Betrayal. Undeterred by her past heartbreak, Emily ventured into the world of dating once again, hoping to find a love that would truly fulfill her. She met a man named Ryan, a seemingly kind and gentle soul who promised her the world. However, Ryan's charm was a facade, masking a dark and controlling personality. He sought to possess Emily, to mold her into his ideal image, suffocating her individuality and spirit. Emily found herself trapped in a toxic relationship, her heart aching for the love and respect she deserved. Part 3. The Triumph of True Love. After years of heartbreak and disappointment, Emily had all but given up on finding true love. She had resigned herself to a life of solitude, believing that she was destined to be alone. But fate had other plans. One day, while volunteering at a local charity event, Emily met a man named Ethan. Ethan was kind, compassionate, and understanding. He saw Emily for who she truly was, appreciating her strengths and flaws. Their connection was instant, a spark igniting between them. They shared laughter, dreams, and hopes, their souls resonating with a shared understanding. Emily found herself falling in love, not just with Ethan, but with the idea of love itself. Ethan loved Emily for who she was, embracing her flaws and imperfections. He supported her dreams and encouraged her to pursue her passions. He made her feel safe, cherished, and loved. Emily had finally found her true love, a love that was pure, unconditional, and unwavering. She had learned that love was not about finding perfection in another person, but about finding someone who accepted her imperfections and loved her unconditionally. Hope you enjoyed the story. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more stories like this. Thank you.